Hello guys, assalamu alaikum to everyone wherever you are present in the world. So today in this video we will do the practice on the divisibility rule, whether this number is divisor of from the following numbers. I have written the some numbers, and after then we check this number either is divisor or not. So let's come to this number. I have written 2 to 10, and this number 2 1 3 4 9 4. If we start from the 2, according to rule 4 even number is present, so we put the cos, we put the tick. So according to rule is satisfied, is a even number present. Now come to the 3. We will combine whole numbers 2 1 3 6 10 19 23. Again we check 2 3 6 10 19 23. According to rule, 23 is not a divisor of 3, so we will cross on this number. Now come to the 4. According to 4, if there is lost two number check, if we check two numbers 2 times 4, 1 come to the other side 14, we check the 4 is not satisfy this rule. And 5, according to rule, the in the last 0 or 5 present, so we say that there is no any number 0 or 5 present, so we say that this number is not divisor of this number. 6, let's come to 6. Here we have already studied that if rule 2 is divisor, 3 is also divisor, and after then 6 is also divisor. Here we say that this number is not divisor of 3, so we say that 6 is also not divisor. Let's come to the 8. 8 is divisor or not. We check last 3 digit 4 9 4. 6 at the 48, 1 come to the other side 14. Here we check 2 at the 16, there's not remainder 0, so we put the cross. This is not satisfy the rule. Come to the 9. We have already studied that we combine the whole numbers and then we check. In this rule, here 9 is also not satisfied. Let's come to the 10. According to rule of the 10, if the last number is 0 present, here the 4 present, so we say that this is not divisible of 10. Now come to the second number. If I'm telling some important points of 6. If divisor of 2 3, definitely 6 will divisor of that number. If one of them is not divisor, if 3 is divisor, 2 is not divisor, so 6 also not divisor. And if 2 is divisor, 3 is not divisor, 6 is also not divisor. Here conclusion is that means 2 and 3 both are divisor of that number, definitely 6 also divisor of that number. Again come to the second number 2 4 8. Again we check the 2, here is even number, so we put the cross. And 3 we combine whole number to the 5 to 5 6, 10, 18. We 3 is divisor of 18. We will say that this is divisor. Again directly we say that 6 is also divisor, because 2 and 3 are divisor of that number. 4 again last two number we check. 4 last two number, 4 1 for the 4 2 time, we say that this is also divisor. 5 is not present 0 or 5 present, so we put the cross. 8 we take three numbers, 1 4 8. We check one time. 6 again we check 6 8 8 at the 64, so not perfect, we put the cross. 9 we again check whole numbers. 18 we combine the whole number. 18 is divisor of 9, 2 9 the 18, so we put the cross. 10 we here is not present 0 in the last, so we put the cross. And again come to the third number. Here is same, there's 0 present in the last, we say that this is number is divisor of 2. And for the 3 we will add all the numbers. 2 1 3 4 7 2 9. Here we check 9 is divisor of 3, so we definitely 6 is also divisor of 6, both number, because now come to the 4 the last two digit is 20. Here is a 20 is also divisor, so 4 we take the mark. And 5 in the last has 0 present, so we say that this is also divisor of this number. And 8 here we check the last three numbers, 4 2 0. 5 at the 40, 5 at the 40, or 2 20 has remainder. 2 at the 16, remainder something remains, so it is not divisor. Again we check the 9 sum of whole number is 9, we put the tick mark. Again 10 in the end we say there is 0 present, so we take the on the 10, here is divisor of the 10. Now let's come to the second number, 314046. Same rule. Here we in the end there is even number 6, so we say that this number is divisor of the 2. And again we 3 we combine whole numbers, 3 1 4 8 14 20. Here we say that 20 is not divisor of 3, so we put cross. Definitely 6 we have already discussed that this 6 will also not divisor of this number, because 1 2 is satisfied the rule, 3 is not satisfied. So according to rule both satisfy the rule, the 6 is also divisor of that number. Again we come to the 4 in the last, we check the two number 4 6. Here 4 6 one time, 4 6 also remain, so we put the cross. Again 5 here we see there in the last 6 present, here 6 present, so we say this not divisor. So come to the 8 for last 3 numbers. Here last 3 number 0 4 6. Here we check 5 at the 40 means the remainder is remain, so we say put the cross. And come to the 9. In the 9 we combine the whole number. Here come the sum, the 20 is not divisor of 9, so we say that 9 is not divisor of that number. Again come to the 10 here is not 0 present in the last 6 present, so we say that this is not divisor of 10. Now came to the last number at 5134 at 0. We start from 2 has 0 present according to rule. The 0 present, so 2 is satisfied. The 2 is divisor of that number. Now come to the 3, 5, 1, 6, 9, 5, 1, 6, 9, 13, 13, 8, 21. We add all the number here, sum become 21. 21 is divisor of 3. We put the tick mark. So directly now come to the 6. We directly put on the 6 because both 2 and 3 satisfied that number rule, so we say that 6 is also divisor of that number. Now come to the 4. 4 here is last 2 number at 0. At 0 means 2 4 at 0 means remainder is 0. 4 is divisor of that number. Now come to the 5. In the 5 there is last present 0. We say that this number is divisible of 5. Come to the at. Here we check the last 3 number. 4 at 0. Here we check 6 at the 48 remain 0, and the remainder we got the 0, so we say that a whole number is divisor of 8. Now come to the 9. 9 we here add all the number 21 become, so 21 is now divisor of 9, so we put the cross. Now come to the 10. In the end here is 0 present, so according to rule 10 is satisfied this number satisfied this rule, so 10 is divisor of this number. Hope you guys you got it. Inshallah we will make the next video on other topic for all of us.